Hi everybody. So today I'm going to show you what my night regime is with Aurv Organics products. I'm a very huge fan of Aurv Organics only because they use natural ingredients or natural essential oils in all of their products. So today I'll show you how I use the serum and what it does. All right. So I've washed my face with the tea tree face wash or organics. The reason why I use tea tree is because I have a very oily skin and sometimes I have breakouts. So after washing my face, I use the vitamin C serum. Alright, so I take maybe about 2-3 drops of it. So that's all. So 1 or 2 drops, and then just slightly, don't give too much pressure. So just put it around your neck, your face, all over your face. So this vitamin C serum is actually very good for your skin. So it can clear the pigmentation if you have dark patches, if you have any acne spots, dark spots, so it can reduce that. And it doesn't whiten the skin. It is not a whitening product. It is brightening. So whatever is your skin color, so it will brighten and it will give you a very subtle glow. All right, so once you apply this, what I do is I take a roller. This is a rose quartz roller. It is very important to buy a genuine rose quartz roller. So how do you check if it is genuine? All you have to do is you have to touch the rose quartz roller, and anytime you touch it, you will find it's cold. It's not super cold, it's just cold. So, and it remains like this all throughout. Okay, so once you apply the vitamin C serum from Aurv Organics, so you take your roller and then roll it like this in upward direction, an upward stroke. Okay, and do not bring it down. It is not the right way to do. So all you have to do is start from here and then go right on top. So you can do it as many times you want. So you can do it 5 times, you can do it 10 times, you can do 20 times, as many times you want. So it actually what happens is it drains all the lymph nodes. So when you do this, you don't have to put too much pressure, just very slightly, right? So very slightly in this. So bring it, so start from here and bring it straight till the end, till here. Okay, till here. So this, by doing so, the product, the vitamin C that you applied on your face, the serum, it will get absorbed into your skin very easily. All right, it will get absorbed into your skin. The skin will get all the nutrients. The serum will soak itself inside, and your skin, it will go inside the skin, and your skin will start feeling very supple, very soft. So as days goes by, you will see a difference on your skin texture, right? So do this. After doing this, you do the same thing this side as well. Remember not to do this. This is not the right way. So we are toning our skin, allowing the serum to soak straight into the facial skin, right? So do this. You can slowly bring it up like this. Start like this. Bring it up. So go straight till here, right? Do not apply a lot of pressure. It is not required. So you can do it very slowly and gently. Okay, a very slight pressure is what is required. Do not rub too much. Okay, so once this is done, then you do it on your forehead this way. And then this smaller roller is for your eyes. So you roll it So do not do this. You are pulling your skin outwards. That's not the way. You have to pull it in. You have to take it in this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So, and then don't forget your neck. So what happened, you pushed everything like this. So by doing so, your skin is getting the extreme nutrients of the vitamin C. It gets soaked right inside, and if there is any lymph nodes, if there's any block, so by doing so, what happens is it releases the lymph nodes blockage. And then you do this so that you bring all those, whatever you pushed from here, so you bring all those like this. Okay, so then you do this. So you see, you have a nice toned face. The face looks much, there's a lot of difference that you can see. I have dark circles is because I work in continuous night shifts, so it is much better now after using the Aurv Organics under eye cream. So do you see, my face looks really, it looks a little pink. Do you see that? Because of the blood circulation. So you can do this every day. You can do this while you're watching TV or when you're on the phone. So when you're just lying down on the bed, it's a very, very simple task. So there's not much of work involved. So just need to slightly move it. That's it. And remember to do only the upward stroke. Do not do this. Do not go up and down like this. It's not the right way. Just slowly move it. That's it. That's it. So you'll feel, see, you'll not feel the stickiness, but at the same time your face looks plumper, it looks softer, it looks a little brighter, isn't it? So when you have a good night's sleep, so you can see your face glowing. So you'll have a slight and a very healthy glow on your face. All right, so after this, I'm going to end by applying a very, very tiny amount of my Aurv Organics under eye cream. So it's very important that you don't apply any sort of pressure, because the area around the eye is very, very sensitive and the skin is many times thin. So do not put a lot of pressure. Just use this finger and dab it, and then slightly give a slight massage so that the product can just soak in and you reap all the benefits out of it. So when you apply, you find it very, very relaxing. You will instantly feel it is kind of cooling your muscles or cooling your skin around that eye area. So do it every day and you'll feel a lot of difference. And I have seen a lot of difference by using their products. This is not the only one I use, only 2 items I use. Their hair oil, shampoo, body wash, hair conditioner. I use their day cream, their Kumkumadi cream. I also use their foundation, compact, saffron gel. So I use a whole lot of products. So after doing this, so that's a good massage. So, and you can see a difference. The eyes feels very nice. And if you want, you can take this roller back again and then slowly slowly massage it. Slowly massage around your eyes. So feel good, feel really nice because the stone is cold, and if there's any tiredness, you feel heaviness, so once you roll this stone or you feel any burning sensation because of looking at the computer for prolonged hours, or your mobile phone, or you watch TV, so you feel extremely irritated, the area around the eyes or your eyes, you have burning sensation, so all of this can stop. But the only rule of the thumb is that you do this every day. I'm taking a lot of time today to do it, is because I'm doing really slowly, so usually you can end the entire process in about 10 minutes. So that's all it takes. Alright, so this is a very small video of what I do during the night, so I hope you all liked it and you'll follow it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.